Miles Davis from Make Better Music Now. About to mix this new song by Stalk called Cosmic. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell because we're dropping videos every week. Follow the Facebook group we got below. All the links will be below. And sign up for that master class, that mixing master class that we got going on. We're going to be teaching you how to mix. We're going to be sending you weekly mixing tutorials as well as weekly assignments that go right along with those tutorials that you can assignment mixing tutorials. So you're going to learn how to mix. You're going to have a project to follow along with and to get the same result that I'm actually doing in the actual video that you're going to be seeing. And you're going to be sending that back to me to get critiqued. And this is all in hopes that you gain knowledge and actual expertise in doing it. So we're also doing weekly Zoom calls. So, just to get everything, if you have any questions, any kind of, complications and things like that, to get right back with me. But that link's below. The Facebook group link's below. Join that, and also look for the link for this song below as well. Go ahead and follow my guy on Instagram too. It'll be on there. So with no further ado, let's get into the mix. I stripped the song bare. We're gonna play it back a verse and just kind of get the idea of how it sounds prior to the mix.
Knowing rap, that's Zen La. Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke. Cosmic. Make love on the comment. Please hold your comments. I'm sick here to vomit. My woman bald with a bonnet. She got loyalty and she honest. If you say the word, I won't say the word. Bitch. Cause you
Alright, so as you can hear, levels are not level. So what you want to do, you want to start off with what I do is I start off with gate. The gate, we got videos on that. We actually explain. I'll link those videos explaining what gates do. I'll also link a video for what EQs do and what you're supposed to do with those. Also, I'll link a video to what multi-band compressors do. And when you join the masterclass, you're going to be getting detailed videos on what all of these things do, and how I go about using them in the mix to get that radio quality sound you're looking for. So all of these different things play a role in making this vocal and song sound radio quality. So start off with the gate.
knowing rap, that's Zen La. Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke.
Alright, so that gate gets any signal that I do not want in there, out of there. That's foremost what I do in my mix. Second most, I EQ it to get all of those frequencies I do not want out of there.
Knowing rap, that's Zen La. Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke.
Alright, so that's with.
Knowing rap, that's Zen La.
So as you can hear, that's a huge difference of what that bassy signal sounded like versus what this signal sounds like. So if you got any good speakers or headphones, you can hear the difference in what that just did. Also, I put a multi-band compressor on this to keep all my frequencies within check. So I want certain frequencies to pop out, certain frequencies not to pop out. So like I said, we have specific videos on what this is. So go ahead and check that out as well and come back to this video.
Knowing rap, that's Zen La. Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke.
What I did there, I put the compressor on top of everything to keep everything in check, right? And I turn the volume down, so I'm going to end up sending that up to a sum, which is an auxiliary or a bus. I'm sending all of these verse tracks, his verse ad-libs, all of that to the same sum, so I can control that overall EQ, compress, and do my thing further up the chain. So what I'm going to do now is cut everything back on, all of the EQ, all of the effects, all of that good stuff back on, and you're going to hear a massive difference in quality. Okay.
Knowing rad that Zen La, Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke.
Also, what I did was I cut the reverb and the delays back on it as well. So keep that in mind. That actually does a lot for giving your vocal space in a mix.
Knowing rad that Zen La, Galactus, my father. We smoke, you smoke. Cosmic, make love on the counter. Please hold your comments. I'm sick here to vomit. My woman bald with a bonnet. She got loyalty and she honest. If you say the word, I won't say the word, bitch.
Alright, so that's with everything on it, right? That's specifically just the vocal chain with all of the chips, with all the tips and tricks on it. Like I said, I start out with the EQ, moved to a multi-band compressor, moved with this song. I had to do certain things that I don't normally do, just because of the tones and all of that stuff. I just had to make certain concessions that I don't normally do. So put another EQ after that EQ. After that multi-band compressor. Then I moved to the actual compressor and play with the limiter at the end of it. Like I said, things don't always go 1000% perfect, but I had to make things work within the landscape of sounds that I was provided, such as like different tones and different dynamic ranges, different loudness and things of that nature. So yeah, signals this loud versus signals this low, right? You gotta make things work.
We smoke, you smoke. La 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 la. Cosmic.
Alright, so let me explain the music side of it. The music side of it, I balanced it out. He produced a track, Stockworthy produced a track, so what I did was I don't want to take anything away from what he did, but I want to give his vocals a space, and I want to keep that everything hidden, or if I can enhance how it's hidden, I want to do that, but I don't want to take anything away. So what I did was, once to start certain things, he had put a transient designer. Like I said, we got videos explaining what these different things are, so you can stop this video and go reference that and be, right on track. And I also analyzed what this was doing frequency wise and got that thing popping to the point where it was not messing up the mix, but it did a lot for it. I didn't take away what he intended it to be initially.
Cosmic, make love on the counter. Please hold your comments. I'm sick here to vomit. My woman bald with a bonnet. She got loyalty and she honest. If you say the word, I won't say the word, bitch.
It's the music chain, right? So I got all of his music in I sent all of his track out instruments from the beat to a specific music bus, so that I can keep that in a certain volume range in relation to his vocals. So with that being said, I put a certain multi-band compressor that I've been talking about on the vocals in order, and I put it on different things and EQ'd on different things, so it would not fight his voice. Like I have a specific EQ on here. Looks crazy, but it's basically playing on a lot of different things that are going on within the sample, because it's an eerie kind of vibey sample. Put a matter flanger on it, which actually gives it some width. And multi-band compressor, I know it looks strange, but if we're going for, this isn't an instrument, this is a very kind of like effect driven kind of sound. It's more so eerie than anything else. So I'm trying to produce that eeriness, keep that eeriness, but at the same time, cut out a space for him, because the mid range of this loop, this loop right here is just so much. So I did that, right, and I gave it some space with the Studio D. Like I said, we got videos on all of these different things to explain what it is that it's doing. But go reference those videos, come back to this, and you'll get a better understanding. And also in that masterclass, it's going to explain all of this in detail as I'm going through it. So remember to go sign up for that.
Cosmic.
Let me go ahead and go to the master. Put the C4 in the master. Didn't really touch things too heavy, just kept things within check. So
Cosmic. Make love on the counter. Please hold your comments. I'm sick here to vomit. My woman bald with a bonnet. She got loyalty and she honest. If you say the word, I won't say the word, bitch. Cause you on my beach, you on my peace, till we're deceased. I can be blue, I can be beast. You can be blue, you be mystique. Make no mistake, I love me a freak. Make no mistake, I love me a freak. I'm looking for the green, tryna get right. No, I'm not stopping for no red lights.
Tell me who want it, cause I gotta get hot like me.
I'm looking for the green, tryna get right. No, I'm not stopping for no red lights.
Tell me who want it, cause I gotta get hot like me.
I'm looking for the green, tryna get right.
that's a quick little overview of how I mix the song. If you want a detailed understanding of it, sign up for that masterclass, that mixing masterclass, and I'll be going back and forth with you about how to actually get this sound out of your mix and how to record properly. We're gonna start putting up those videos as well. How you should record, how you should have your artist angled on the mic, and what's the best way to go about getting the best sound with whatever kind of equipment you got. Cause you can still get good sound out of some strange equipment. Like I've seen it. Like Trey Songz's first album was recorded in like a horrible environment, but you did not even notice. You know what I'm saying? So join the Facebook group, join the masterclass, go find this song, subscribe, like, comment, and go hit your boy on the IG. Go hit Stalk on IG and tell him how much you like the song, man. All right, peace out.